Hello, today I'm going to show you how I go about creating a Windows 10 virtual machine template using VMware Workstation 12. Virtual machine templates provide an easy way to rapidly deploy virtual machines. The first section will cover optimizing the virtual machine. Before beginning the optimization process, install all Windows updates. I recommend that you do not activate Windows. However, if you are using a volume license, this is optional. Since it is a virtual machine, you will most likely want to change the power settings in the control panel to never put the computer to sleep. You may also choose to install any base applications that are required by all users. Step 1 is disabling automatic updates. In Windows 8 and earlier versions, this was much easier to do, but in Windows 10, we actually have to go into Group Policy Editor and disable it there. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll want to start by clicking a few times on the Cortana search bar. Then type in gpedit.msc. This will bring up Group Policy Editor. You'll want to click on that. And then select Administrative Templates, All Settings, and then scroll down to Configure Automatic Updates. Once that's open, you have the ability to disable automatic updates altogether, but I like to choose to actually enable and then select Notify for downloads and Notify for install. This gives me the ability to choose when updates are downloaded and installed. The Windows indexing service is used to optimize the file search process. This service can also hinder drive performance, so the next step is to disable the indexing service. You'll want to start by clicking on the Cortana search bar area. Type in Services. This will bring up the Services desktop app. Click on that and scroll down to Windows Search. Right-click on Windows Search and select Properties. Change the startup type to Disabled, apply the setting, and stop the service. Step 3. Adjust the visual effects for best performance. Begin by right-clicking on the Start menu. Select System. Click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Performance Visual Effects. Select the Adjust for Best Performance radio button and apply. Step 4. Defragment the virtual hard drive. Begin by shutting down the virtual machine. Once the machine is fully shut down, right-click on the virtual machine in the virtual machine library and select Settings. Select the hard disk and select the Defragment button. Step 5. Disable unnecessary ports. Right-click on the virtual machine under the virtual machine library. Mouse over Power and select Power On to Firmware. Use the right arrow to select the Advanced tab. Down arrow to I/O device configuration and press Enter. Disable all ports by pressing Enter and selecting Disabled. You may also disable the floppy disk controller. Press the F10 button and save the configuration. The virtual machine will now boot into Windows. This concludes the virtual machine optimization process. Part 2 will walk you through creating a virtual machine template.